Okay, here we are at Serta. Thanks, Sheep. Appreciate it. Thanks for being here with us to talk about the Dazzling Night Perfect Sleeper Collection. One of the things that you're going to instantly recognize from the from the Dazzling Nights collection here is some of our models are quilted top. This is a smooth top. So still a hybrid bed, still has coils in it, but it has the smooth top. Some people really like that feel, so we have that collection here. One of the the biggest deals in the Dazzling Night collection is that we have two different types of foam. We have the Cool Twist Gel Memory Foam. This is the high density memory foam that contours to your body. It relieves all those aches and pains. And then we have the Cool Twist foam that you can see how quick that responds. So just to give you an idea of the difference, this one is a longer reaction. This is a quick reaction, and that's to just provide the comfort and the pressure relief. Now, all the gels are infused with a cooling foam to help dissipate the heat in the body, which makes it fantastic, more comfortable. And then we have our 3-zone support in both of these. What that means is that you're going to get a higher density coil, the pocketed coil there in the middle, that's going to take most of the weight there in the body. What that does is that's going to allow the mattress to last longer. It's going to be more durable rather than create indentations over time because it's meant to handle it. Now, these two models, over here we have what we call our medium model. The medium model, right in the middle of the road, comfortable mattress. You can immediately feel the gel foams. You can feel the twist foam in here. This is a comfortable bed. Again, medium comfortable. Then when we move over here to this side, the Dazzling Night, this is our firm bed. Firm bed, definitely more firm. Not super firm. There's some beds that really feel firm, but this one, you can feel that it's comfortable, but you can tell my body's gonna sit higher up on the mattress and have a lot more support. But this is definitely gonna be more on the firm side. So again, this is the Dazzling Night collection, 850 coil count in both of these beds, high quality product.